Without making videos on YouTube. How to earn money. Today I show you the 8 niches with the highest CPM normally. If you start a YouTube cash cow channel on any niche, YouTube will pay you almost $1 to $10 for each 1,000 views on each video you post. But if you start a cash cow channel on the highest CPM niches, you will be able to generate 10 times the revenue. For example, what about 20 to 50 CPM or 100 to 200 CPM per 1,000 views? I'm not even kidding when I say that I chose all of these niches and placed them here after working on hundreds of different channels and conducting considerable research. I've also included all of the demo and example channels for each topic. So please leave a like and let me know your ideas in the comment box. Also, I'd want to ask you a question. What specialty are you currently working in? I will read every remark. Number 1. We have an online business niche where you can teach your audience how to make money online or share your personal experience, and you can easily start a cash cow channel in this niche. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't have to be a billionaire or a millionaire to share your experience and start an on-demand channel in this niche. If you earn more than $1,000, you are still eligible to share your experience and start an on-demand channel in this niche. Now, if you search for online business on YouTube, you will see people posting content on a variety of topics. You can do the same and earn a CPM of around 25 to 100. For example, if you search for Burko Banks on YouTube, this person is posting simple tutorial-based content and teaching people about different methods and fields to make money online e-commerce softwares. You can do the same and earn a CPM of around 25 to 100. When you sell products online, whether it's drop shipping or any other e-commerce model, it's a good niche to start with. But I'm talking about e-commerce softwares, not e-commerce modules. Like where we market our products and build an audience, we use different softwares like landing pages and plugins, and so on. You can start a cash channel on e-commerce software tutorials like how to build funnels, etc. If you search for ClickFunnels tutorial or Shopify tutorial on YouTube, you'll see that people are actually working on it. You can even start an old cash cow channel around this topic, with a CPM of around $100 to $250. I couldn't find a demo channel for this niche, but that doesn't mean you can't start one. Number 3, technology is the next niche. In reality, it's a subset of technology known as Tesla. Yes, you may build a cash code channel for Tesla or any other planned future car manufacturer. You can see the future channel on my screen right now, and you can actually recreate or model the entire channel by paying cash car managers to perform all the work for you, and you'll get a CPM of roughly $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. Stock market is one of those categories that is quite popular and has the highest CPM. You can easily model that niche and start a simple YouTube channel on it. For example, check out the channel Cast Gains Academy to know further. They're sharing simple tips and tricks of investing as well as the latest news and updates about the stock market. So easy to model that niche and start a simple YouTube channel on it. This niche has a CPM of around $30. Cryptocurrencies. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies are one of the best and most popular topics right now. If you have good knowledge in this field, you can start a cryptocurrency channel or hire a cash cow manager. You can start a channel on any one coin, such as Bitcoin, altcoins, or any other you want. You can share coin news predictions or anything else. If you don't want to work alone, you can hire a cash cow manager. Finance and money. Money and finance is a vast topic, but you may start a channel similar to Practical Wisdom, which posts videos about money and compares rich and poor people. Number 7. Luxury cars. Now this is another best niche to remodel and start a cash couch analog. I'm talking about luxury cars where you can get around 30 to 50 CPM, and because they're in animations, people used to watch these videos until the end. This niche gets a lot of engagement rates as well. Number 7. Luxury cars. Now this is another best niche to remodel and start a cash couch analog. I'm talking about luxury cars where you can get around 30 to 50 CPM, and because they're in animations, people you can see it's doing very well because the Car Tops team is posting simple videos. As you can see, the average CPM of the snitch is around 70 to 100. Luxury houses are these specific and sub-niches of luxury topics, but you can get a good CPM of 50 to 100 on this niche if you want to work on it. As you can see, this channel posts videos about billionaires' homes and car collections, and you can do the same. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're looking for trusted cash card managers, you can DM us on Instagram as well. We also own several teams that create high-quality content and build automation channels for you.